Hi guys, this is Adam from Adrenaline Cycles again, coming at you with a quick, helpful unboxing of the BRP factory aluminum doors. We've had a few questions online about what comes with the kit. Does it come with the door frame? Does it not? How does it install? So go over a few of the highlights of it here just to hopefully answer some questions that we've seen online. Obviously you'll get a driver and passenger door, all the latches and hardware as you can see here. Just notice here on this door I got flipped over. This is the inside. But you'll see you'll have to use your factory frame, which is on your skin right now that you have on your buggy. This door attaches firmly to it, and then it'll open and close, shut, and do everything it's supposed to. Another tip on ordering these doors: there's two sets of instructions. One for the doors, and then another set you'd have to go to BRP instructions and look at for the door handles. There's two separate spots because if you try to put them in with just the door instructions, it's pretty much impossible. So next we'll go to a machine that we have these on and go over a few more little features and benefits of having these aluminum doors over your factory door skins.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
All right guys, we're back again talking about the doors, and we have a set installed here on our 2020 XRC model, and we just want to go over the install of how it should look when you get done. Again, use the instructions, check them out. You got two sets, door and handles are both separate on the instructions page at BRP. You can come in and look here. It's all sealed up really nice, just like the normal factory doors. It's all reinforced up here at the seams. Back here it's all reinforced, which the main reason people get this is obviously the door handle and having that aluminum door. I mean, it's solid. The handle is super nice, one finger to open it. This is the inside. Like we said, you use your original door frame from the machine to start with. It fits in, works great. You got the nice door latch on the inside as well, so you can open from the inside, which is really nice. A nice big cover here to hide all the internals working of the door latch. And I mean, man, it's butter smooth. You can open it from the outside. You can reach in and open it from the inside. I mean, for a door that's out there, this thing is super nice. Works really well. And people say, oh, you'll tear your door handles off going through the woods. Dude, we've run these and run these. We have yet to go down a mountain, go down a rut, go down a tree and tear these off. It was our concern too, but it doesn't happen. They hold up really well. So if you're in the market for a set of doors or just have questions about the doors, you can give us a shout and we'll try to help you out. But this is the aluminum door from BRP.